Hello, students of Standard 9. Today I am here with some English question of chapters which I have already taught you. Today I am here with the Beehive chapter number 1, the fun they had. I will give you the questions. You copy down in your rough copy and then write the questions along with the answers in the fair copy. Okay, now see English. Beehive chapter 1, the fun they had. The first question: why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Question number 2. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? Once again, why was Margie doing badly in geography? Have you written? Next, in the same question, what did the county inspector do to help her? Once again, you see, what did the county inspector do to help her? This is the same part of the second question. The full question is, why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Okay. Question number 3. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Once again, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Okay, now next, the last question of this chapter. Why did Margie hate school? Very important. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Once again, you see, why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Okay, all the questions you see. Once again, I am reading it. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Next, why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Same question, same part of the question. Question number 3. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Question number 4. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? So these are the questions for chapter 1 in Beehive, the fun they had. Now we will see English, same book, chapter number 2, Sound of Music. Sound of Music. First question is, when was Evelyn's deafness first noticed? When was Evelyn's EVELYN' deafness first noticed? Now your second question, who helped Evelyn to continue with music? Who helped Evelyn to continue with music? In the same question, what did he do and say? Full question you see, who helped Evelyn to continue with music? What did he do and say? The last question, very important question of this chapter. How does Evelyn hear music? How does Evelyn hear music? So what are the total questions? All the 3 questions at a time you see. When was Evelyn's deafness first noticed? Who helped Evelyn to continue with music? What did he do and say? Question number 3. How does Evelyn hear music? Okay, now write these answers too in the fair copy and be ready for your regular class.